kept like hidden cameras in the conference room and I would have been like my
entertainment.
inspiring.
दीक्षा को मम्मी ने थप्पड़ क्यों मारा?
मेरे पापा को लगा एक काम करो इसमें तुम एड मत रन करो। मैंने कहा कैसी बातें कर रहे हो?
There was a time your account got suspended. Wow.
Oh my god.
What is that one learning?
You cannot be dependent.
How do you bring back yourself in action?
I keep doing it.
Your journey. कैसे हुआ?
अच्छा ये इसका ब्रांड है, ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं।
Designing is a very major component. So वो कैसे manage करते हैं?
Because we have designers. I mentioned I know what questions are gonna come.
Sixth sense बहुत तगड़ी है भाई. Going to Shark Tank is not one night thing.
That approach was not quite well sitting with me.
So as a Marwadi, आपने एक totally different business है D2C and it's a totally different challenge. तो आपको ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जो like you've learned the hard way?
See, I still come from very ठेठ मारवाड़ी family. Traditional मारवाड़ी businesses चाय बेचेंगे, new age मारवाड़ी businesses चायोस बेचेंगे.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Brand Talks. I am your host Vineet and with me is
Sadhna. And I'm so thrilled and excited to make you meet our today's guest. She is not little chota. She doesn't have everything standard, but whatever she has done in life, she says she has always done a little extra. So welcome Deeksha. We are so happy to welcome you today.
Hi guys. Hi Vineet. Hi Vineet and Sadhna.
Hi Deeksha.
Hi. So how are you feeling?
A little tingy, like I just said. It's my first podcast, guys.
No. So you have to feel at home. The first rule that we tell all our guests, because this is made with that kind of intent that it reaches our audience from you in purest form possible. And that's only possible when you're comfortable.
I'll try to be as
So
honest.
पानी पियो, comfortable हो जाओ, बिल्कुल.
I think you should have just kept like hidden cameras in the conference room, and I would have been like my most unfiltered. इतना सारा कैमरा वगैरह देख के ना थोड़ा सा ऐसे.
नहीं, don't worry at all.
Ignore the cameras.
Ignore the cameras. And मैंने वैसे भी देखा है. I think 2 minutes या 4 minutes. उसके बाद people actually forget the camera and they just get into the flow.
एक बार conversation शुरू हो जाएगी, then founders know how to connect with founders and talk. Like we talk a lot as it is.
So that's all fine. I think Deeksha, सबसे पहले when we start this, I want you to know what is our intent with this podcast. So the Brand Talks, the podcast that we do, our intention is to bring founders from different walks of life and with different experiences, ताकि ये content कहीं कोई बैठ के देख रहा हो, सुन रहा हो और न जाने वो कौन सा आपका example, कोई instance, कोई action, and if somebody listens and feels like wow, so that moment, and they come back and they comment or they let us know that you know what, I heard this podcast and I felt like kuch hua. So that is the intent, that we really choose founders, we bring in. And you should also remember that आप यहाँ पर genuinely न जाने आपकी कौन सी बात किसको कहाँ पर impact कर जाए. And yes, with you it's going to be amazing, because right now we see you doing 2 amazing things, which is one, you a content creator, and other, the brand that you're driving and kind of moving. So before even we get into deeper conversations, a lot of questions, हम हमेशा अपने founders को बोलते हैं, guests को बोलते हैं, please introduce yourself and the brand briefly. And then as we layer, we'll go.
Cool. So hi, I am Deeksha. I am the founder of A Little Extra. I also run a content creation page. I create content on body positivity, plus size fashion, and also health and wellness for all body sizes. My brand's called A Little Extra. I think I mentioned that already, but again, plug. But my brand does really swanky and really quirky jewelry pieces. And I already mentioned what I do. I come from Guwahati, but I've been living in Delhi for the last 10 years now.
Okay, that's lovely. So when we got to see you on Shark Tank, and whenever we have seen your stories on your page, we know that how you moved from Guwahati, then you kind of studied here, did mass and journalism, did something. So now I really want you to take us through your journey. Like Literally your journey. कैसे हुआ, you know?
ठीक है, so I was born and brought up in Guwahati only. So for the largest, like, I think until class 6 I was in Guwahati, and then my parents were like, इसको पतला होना है, इसको boarding school भेजो. ठीक है?
See, that is something new. अच्छा, यानी boarding school भेजने के लिए पतला होना पड़ता है. Okay.
मतलब नहीं, बोर्डिंग स्कूल भेजो ताकि पतली हो जाए, बिकॉज यू नो लाइक अभी के स्कूल्स स्टिल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, राइट? बैक देन स्कूल्स वर लाइक जाओ पढ़ाई करो, वापस आओ, ट्यूशन करो, आर्ट क्लास कर लो, राइट? बट बोर्डिंग स्कूल्स हैड अ मोर होलिस्टिक अप्रोच, हैड लाइक हॉर्स राइडिंग, स्विमिंग, बस थोड़ा भागेगी दौड़ेगी पतली हो जाएगी. I went and I studied. I studied at a school called Assam Valley School. Very good school. I think I owe a lot of my learnings there, but it also gave me a lot of trauma. Okay, like boarding school can give you trauma, like a lot of trauma. And then I came back, I think, with 20 kgs heavier by the time I left boarding school. So yeah, and then I came back. Like 4 years I did there. I was an excellent student, I would say. Great with academics. I would love to study. I would, you know, I remember मेरे को मम्मी ने एक बारी थप्पड़ मारा था क्योंकि मैं रो रही थी कि मेरा 3rd डिवीजन नहीं हुआ है. So I was that kind of a student कि जा सो जा. Came back from boarding school. Then 11th 12th I
feel like एक thumbnail, दीक्षा को मम्मी ने थप्पड़ क्यों मारा? Okay, but ठीक है, I get it.
11th 12th I did it again from Guwahati, and then post 12th, like my dad had this thing that so you know how you come from a Marwadi family, a little conservative, people around my parents are conservative, लड़कियों को usually बाहर नहीं भेजते हैं पढ़ने वढ़ने के लिए जो भी. तो my dad had put this condition that I will only send you to Delhi if you get more than 95%. ठीक है? In 12th, ठीक है? And difficult. बट एंड मैं इतना पढ़ भी नहीं रही थी, मतलब मैं पढ़ती थी, मैं बहुत स्मार्टली पढ़ती थी, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ती थी. एंड बिटवीन ऑल दिस बोर्ड एग्जाम्स ऑफ फेयरवेल होता था, तो बहुत सारी एनर्जी तो ना साड़ी में चली जाती थी. तो माई डैड, आई रिमेंबर, ही ऑल्सो टोल्ड मी, तुम जिस तरीके से पढ़ाई कर रहे हो मुझे नहीं लग रहा तुम्हारे 90 भी आएंगे. ठीक है? एंड
you were in boarding that time?
No, 11th 12th I was in Guwahati again.
Came back, yeah.
So I studied, I gave my exams, whatever. I was a smart student. I somehow knew कि question paper में क्या आएगा. मुझे पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा था. No leaks, but it was just an intuition. Like, you know, this is a smart question to be asked वाला हिसाब किताब. And then when results came, I got like a 96.75.
Whoa.
And then my dad was like, तू थोड़ा कम नहीं ला सकती थी? And then of course, because we, you know, my dad had always set this precedent for me that you want something, you have to do something. Yeah. So, you know, you want a laptop, you do this. You want this, you do this. ऐसा. So now that I had gotten the marks that he wanted me to get, he was bound to send me to Delhi. So I came to Delhi. I studied journalism and mass communication from IP College in Delhi University. And my dad always wanted me to become a CA. But मुझे ना numbers ऐसे ना पसंद नहीं थे ऐसे, मतलब ये cost theta sin theta नहीं कराओ मेरे से प्लीज. ठीक, I loved accounts. ठीक है? I loved business studies. I loved entrepreneurship. I even got 100 in entrepreneurship in my 12th. ठीक है? But I never really liked numbers, typical numbers, like you know those formulas and all of that. मुझे नहीं पता. Commercial maths I really loved. तो पर मेरे को था कि I also loved storytelling, I loved writing, like you know people, I was the person जो जिसको friends मैसेज करते थे कि प्लीज मेरे लिए कैप्शन लिख दे. अभी तक मैसेज करते हैं, मतलब कि अभी तक 30 साल की उम्र में अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए कैप्शन लिख रही हूँ.
Okay, so we have when we are stuck, Diksha, please one line.
चैट जीपीटी यार उससे पूछो, उसको बोल दो write a caption like Diksha would suggest.
अच्छा ठीक है, we'll try that. Okay,
that's a nice
like
prompt.
a nice
prompt. ठीक है, okay.
ठीक है, तो this would happen. So I went into mass comm and journalism and mass communication, thinking यार मैं भी news anchor बनूंगी ये वो. Got into it and realized that news anchoring and stuff is not where my interest lied. It was mostly storytelling. So I think while I was in college, I did a lot of internships for very mere stipends, but the entire idea was to learn a lot, to, you know, experience different founders' office, to experience different kind of workspaces, what kind of work exists. And it was not done consciously कि अच्छा ये मेरा game plan है कि मैं ये करूँगी फिर ये होगा इस internship से ये होगा. नहीं, it was just because it's an opportunity for you to learn something, learn it. ठीक है? तो मैंने बहुत सारी internships करी, फिर बहुत सारा freelance काम किया, and then I started a digital marketing agency with a couple of friends, ran that for about 4-5 years. एंड देन आई रियलाइज कि यार बहुत लोग ना डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसीज में अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? एंड इवन ब्रांड्स वर समहाउ नॉट रेडी टू लिसन टू यू. लाइक नो आई वुड always insist on storytelling, but they would always insist on cool looking graphics. And I think that there was always this disconnect. Like, you know, मेरा forte storytelling tha. So and now if you see the content game, it's all storytelling, right? So if we could have, I don't know if it was ahead of its time or whatever, but then I was like, nahi, chalo mere ko ये नहीं करना है. And if I have learned something from all this while, I would just go about starting my own brand. But then again, I did not start a brand immediately. I left my agency. I did some consulting work for a while, and then उसी के बीच में I always loved jewelry. And I was like, चलो COVID का time था, few कारीगर, reached out to a few कारीगर्स, got a few stuff made, and that's how I was like, हाँ, this could be a good business idea. Like I was always looking at business ideas, but कहीं पर या तो capex बहुत ज़्यादा था, या तो returns बहुत ज़्यादा आएंगे इसमें, whatever. There were different kinds of issues with each businesses. This business seemed like something that it interests me. I think I know what people want. Good margins, good profit, like good. What do you call market size, it should do well, like and I never thought that okay ये बहुत कुछ बड़ा बनेगा कुछ. I was like हाँ consulting का काम कर रही हूँ, साथ में थोड़े और पैसे चाहिए, इसके लिए शुरू करते हैं. Then slowly when I realized and I started working on it, I realized I love running a business a lot more than running like a consulting work.
Like a product business.
Like a product business. I really liked it. And I come from a typical Marwadi family, जहाँ पे you talk about money and you talk about business and profitability दिन and night and day. You talk about the same thing, right?
Correct.
So ठीक है, seemed like something interesting, and then my parents helped me. It was COVID, my parents helped, my sister helped, everybody in my family helped me. I'm grateful to all of them, like my best friends. Oh my God, they were my models, they were everything, like सब कुछ छोड़ के मेरे को help करने आ रहे थे. And then when it started showing progress, I slowly, gradually declined my consulting work, started pursuing my business on a more day-to-day, like पूरा दिन उस पे काम करती थी मैं, like moved it full time. And in this while, and in fact, even when I was saying content creation never came, right? It only never came because till date I never see content creation as something that I do full time. It's not something I see myself doing as a business. I do content creation because the things that I speak about, I really enjoy speaking about them. It's something that comes right from my heart, and it's something that I think I can just connect with more people with. I never really again started creating content because मुझे followers चाहिए थे, मुझे brand deals चाहिए थे. But I started writing about things because that's where I could vent stuff out. Like that was like when जब I started talking about fat shaming, let's say, a lot of women reached out to me, and I was like, okay, this is a community. This is where people because my friends are not, let's say, my best friend is really thin, so she would not get where I'm coming from, right? But this woman on the internet understands what I'm coming, where I'm coming from, and she has more to add, and that's how it started. And then my voice spoke to a couple of more people, and that's how it grew into a community of over 1 lakh followers. So even till date, like I do brand deals, of course. पैसा आने दो भाई, पैसा चाहिए. But that's not the intent. Like yesterday I was talking to my CA, I was like, इसका काम कितना बढ़ेगा? मैंने कहा घटेगा. I don't intend to do it full time. I don't intend to do it only from a monetarily perspective. So it's not going to grow to an extent my business would grow. It is not going to grow like how other creators are growing, because those creators are doing it with they treat it as a business, and rightfully so, you should. But my heart does not lie there, so I don't treat it that way.
Got it.
That's my story.
So beautiful and very inspiring.
Yeah, actually,
and I know I had a question in between. You kind of touched it, but then you went back. So I feel like asking that. Because when Shark Tank also happened, you said that this brand, A Little Extra, this happened during the COVID.
Right.
And just you kind of repeated that. What happened first? You having a big community size on Instagram पहले हुआ, या business हुआ, ये parallel हो रहा था? Because I mean, what we know as outsiders, your brand's strong plank is your community. So ये क्या parallel हुआ है? ये आगे हुआ है, पीछे हुआ है?
So I'll tell you what, I had about 20,000 followers when I launched my brand. In that time, it was a lot of followers. ठीक है, क्योंकि 20,000 people meant something then. अभी तो सबके हैं.
नहीं भाई, आज भी बहुत है.
ठीक है. So yes, a few initial purchases did come from my own following base. I think the initial investment of $5,000 that I made, सारा मैंने I got all of that back. Like I was able to sell out my products because this community trusted me and bought my products. But then eventually it started getting its own followers. Today, my brand has over 250,000 followers, more than double of what my personal page has. So yes, I think that the brand itself has its own holding. It grew simultaneously is what I would say. We grew rapidly over COVID. And today, I think, I'll tell you what is very interesting, that earlier when I would walk in a mall or something, like people would mostly tell me, oh, I love your content, you're a Diksha, whatever. Now they're like, oh, you're from a Little Extra, you're a Little Extra's founder. So now that I'm seeing that shift. Also, I think because of Shark Tank, and it got a nationwide reach, right? So I think because of all of that, now I think for the longest time now, the brand has its own holding and reach. Because see, it would make a lot of sense today if let's say I open a size inclusive clothing brand, then my community would be my plank to this business. Jewelry and body positivity, if you keep them, they don't really like, there's no 1 + 1 = 2 नहीं हो रहा है वहाँ पे. कुछ लोग, because they are women, might be biased from here, and they, or to say, I think what really helps is the fact that because I have a certain face value, people are अच्छा ये इसका brand है, trust कर सकते हैं. So I think the trust factor might increase, but that does not mean that my following के वजह से people are buying from there. The product, you cannot beat a bad product, right? Your product needs to be good.
So meaning your brand and this journey was going almost parallel.
Yes.
At the same time.
Yes.
And again, looks like you know my questions. When you know, you have something to know questions.
I told you.
You know something. Because but you touched and you kind of went back.
क्योंकि वो तो काम आपका है ना, सब काम मैं ही करती हूँ.
तो तुम क्या करोगे? From the time we have known about your brand, your Shark Tank episodes and all that, I can see that you always had this point where you were like, I like this, I liked earring, that's why it happened. But as you very rightly said, for me, when I discovered you, I thought the obvious thing was clothing brand or some other accessory brand. Why earrings? And I mean, why a Little Extra is just an earring brand?
So it's a jewelry brand. It's not a earring brand.
Jewelry. Yeah, that's a wrong.
So I'll tell you, यार ये ना बहुत ही सिर्फ मेरे ही लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, ठीक है, बाकियों के लिए नहीं होगी. सो जब मैं बचपन में मॉल जाती थी ना, तो ऐसे माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स वुड ऑलवेज गेट लाइक क्लोथ्स इन द साइज, एंड वो शॉपिंग करते थे. हमें अपने साइज के कपड़े मिलते नहीं थे. सो माई फर्स्ट टेंडेंसी वॉज टू ऑलवेज गो टू द एक्सेसरी सेक्शन, क्योंकि मम्मी तो मुझे ही पैसे दिए खरीदने के लिए, मैं क्या खरीदूँ, खाली हाथ तो नहीं आऊँगी, पैसे है मेरे पास, एंड मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं. एंड आई डिड नॉट वांट टू लुक लाइक uncool, right? So I would go and buy like accessories, because accessories did not know size, like this would fit you, this would fit me, right? So that's how I started loving accessories so much. So even when I would go traveling, let's say, you would always find clothes again in very standard sizes, right? You would not find them in plus sizes, you would not find them in very petite sizes also. So again, my inclination would be कि अगर मुझे travel के time में कुछ खरीदने का तो मन करता है, so I would always end up buying like really cool jewelry. And those pieces of jewelry was something that most people would always come back and ask me कहाँ से लिया, and कोई connection बनता नहीं था, क्योंकि I got it from some place, अब उसका कोई source नहीं है. So I think that's how I love jewelry so much. I always enhanced my look using jewelry, like wear the simplest of clothes, add a lot of junk jewelry to it, or add whatever the occasion might be. That's how I got into jewelry. But having said that, it was not like I did not want to start a clothing brand. In fact, I had a clothing brand. The thing was that when I initially started running my business, clothing brand में ना बहुत सारे terms and conditions होते हैं. You need a larger capital. You need to go from a lot. So because I did not want to do standard sizes, I want to do probably extra small to let's say a 7-8 XL. Now those kind of sizes would mean a lot of inventory, a lot of investment, something I did not have at that point of time. Even today I don't. Plus the entire, and I'm not a designer, I'm not a jewelry designer also, but then I felt that with clothing I was not able to bring something different to the community, and which is why even though I tried a lot, I was not able to crack it. So I did start a clothing business with my husband, and we ran it for about 1.5-2 years. We ran it profitably. We could not give it the kind of time it needed, and which is why we decided to shut shop for that. So yeah, but then I had a nice time. My followers bought from that a lot, and we also did like size inclusive clothes for men, and even that sold out a lot. And people would just keep coming back for the same thing again and again. So I knew that that's a good proposition. So anybody who has the knowledge, has the funds, go for a size inclusive clothing brand, but do something great. Like in today's time, अब बहुत आ गए. अब सारे brand size inclusivity पे focus करते हैं. उस time पर नहीं था.
उस time means this is which?
This is about 5-6 years ago. उस time पर
2020.
Yeah, so when my content was also at its peak, and when there were not enough brands also, and not enough affordable brands at that. So that's when I started it, but बहुत मेहनत हो रही थी मेरे से, तो मैं नहीं कर पा रही थी. Could not do justice, like, तो मैंने उसको pause कर दिया था.
बट डिजाइनिंग लाइक इसमें आपका जो ज्वेलरी है इसके अंदर डिजाइनिंग इज अ वेरी मेजर कंपोनेंट ऑफ
Correct.
व्हाट यू डू. सो इसको फ्रेश रखना और इसको ओरिजिनल रखना, हाउ बिग is that a challenge? And especially you said that you are not a jewelry designer, so वो कैसे manage करते हो?
So of course we have designers. I study a lot of trends. I see what people around me are doing. I see what their interest lies in. I study a lot of products and markets abroad, because कुछ भी बोलो, इंडिया में चीज़ें बाहर से भी फ्लो होती है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स देन देयर इज इंडिजिनियस इंडिया आल्सो, राइट? सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू इंडिजिनियस इंडियन प्रोडक्ट्स, आई डू अ लॉट ऑफ like I talk to a lot of people, ठीक है? I see India is a country full of festivals. आज होली, कल दिवाली, रक्षाबंधन, ये वो मिठाइयाँ सब आ रही है. तो हमने तो हर चीज़ पे ज्वेलरी बनाई हुई है. So starting from Durga Ma, which became really famous, to wedding collection, another collection that has done so well for us. We have touched it all in the indigenous or handicraft section, and then I see a lot of jewelry that is being done internationally, like something like what I'm wearing today. I cannot wear a Durga earring today, right? It also has to be occasion appropriate.
Yes,
so while initially we focused on a lot of handmade artifacts, handmade crafts, handmade products that are very different, I also realized that today's women, they also need a lot of jewelry on an everyday basis to look good, and that's when we started doing stuff that was more everyday wear, but again also has its own charm, has its own has a different texture, has something different about it. So yeah, so I have a team for that. I do the research. Of course, every design is approved by me. I think, like I mentioned, I know what questions are gonna come. I think I know what earrings are gonna sell or what jewelry is gonna sell.
Sixth sense बहुत तगड़ी है भाई.
I think so. That's what has been working for me. I am just, मैं risk बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं ले पाती हूँ, तो थोड़ा धीरे जैसे लाइक टच करके आ जाती हूँ वापस, टच करके आ जाती हूँ वापस इससे भी. एंड देन व्हेन आई सी अच्छा ओके दिस इज स्केलिंग, देन आई पुट लाइक मोर मनी इनटू इट.
Okay. So when we were kind of thinking about you, and I was literally sitting, so how do I plan a podcast? I do a lot of research so that I can, me and Vineet, we can bring lot of value for the audience. हम सोचते हैं कि एक ऑडियंस कहीं बैठा होगा, वो क्या जानना चाहता है दीक्षा से. तो एक बड़ा कॉमन, बड़ी सारी हमारे ऑफिस में, हमारी टीम में भी एक पॉइंट बार बार आ रहा था. मैंने कहा ये सवाल दीक्षा से पूछते हैं. There was a time your account got suspended, man. I mean,
I would
account,
cry.
like specify
The Instagram account. हाँ, बैंक अकाउंट. विनीत का दिमाग बैंक अकाउंट में
भाई
जाए.
बैंक अकाउंट जाता ना, इतना दुख ना होता मुझे.
तो प्रश्न को सुने, उसको अभी से ही दर्द हो रहा है.
ट्रॉमा.
what happened really?
हाँ, मैं एक्चुअली क्या हुआ था, and what was the impact on you, your life, your business? मैंने 2 सवाल पूछ लिए.
ठीक है. So we appeared on Shark Tank, right? So of course any content that is on Shark Tank is owned by Sony. Now the thing was that there was no precedent set for us. I would say that, or if it were, I was probably unaware of it. But I had seen a lot of previous brands that had appeared on Shark Tank share their stories on Instagram, all using clips, etc. of from Shark Tank, including, I think you guys also have used some, right? So now what happens is that they made us sign a 2 पेज का पन्ना था जिसको हमने साइन करा था. Nothing, I don't even think it was notarized or anything. ठीक है, where we could not use, where they had made us like, where one of the points was that you cannot use content from Sony. Now because there was no precedent set and everybody was using it, even we used it. Now we used content from Shark Tank के videos वगैरह जो भी clips थे from the show, and then we used it for our content. We even, I think, gathered cumulative views of about 10 million for them, and it was all fine until the show stopped being aired, and when we started getting a notice that you need to delete all of these pieces of content. It skipped my diligence. I skipped it, and then I had deleted most of it. कुछ रह गए थे, and because clips रह गए थे which were Sony's properties, Sony had striked had done a copyright strike on us, and because of which our account got suspended. I think those were, I remember I had gone to my place to do a shoot for Mother's Day. It was just around this time. And my team member called me. She's like, I don't even know how to say this to you, Diksha, but our account is suspended. And I knew I was tattered and shattered and everything at that point in time. I did not know where my life would be after this. It was a little counterproductive for a show or for a channel who is promoting entrepreneurship to do this to a brand that appeared on their show. I understand why they did it, but we never spoke anything bad about them either. There was no defamation. There was only good things about you, getting you good views. But I still do not understand the logic, but there must be. But because of which our account got suspended. The one good thing I did was I did not sit. I was like, अकाउंट सस्पेंड हुआ है, लोगों को बताओ, लोगों को बोलो ये BTS अकाउंट है और उसको फॉलो करें. We did that. That reel got a lot of views. We got 10,000 plus followers in the first 2-3 days, and because of which our sales actually increased. Okay, so we would look at that as a blessing in disguise. But of course, you had a community of over 250,000 followers also, right? Then in the process, I then reached out to a lot of other brands whose account got suspended. I reached out to a lot of legal teams, and then we finally discovered, like, okay, what is the way to go about it? We pleaded a lot to Sony, like a lot. Like मैंने आज तक इतनी विनतियाँ किसी से नहीं करी है, मैंने इतनी भीख नहीं मांगी है किसी से. For about 2-3 weeks, I kept pleading to them, and I remember every night I would sleep. Before I sleep, I would cry. Like, रात को nightmares आते थे मुझे कि पेज सस्पेंड हो गया, अब क्या करेंगे? Because as a brand that has grown on Instagram, that was our entire identity. Like, people... Yes. And then what happened was a lot of fake pages also started coming up. Now people don't know who to follow. So, बहुत ज़्यादा, of course, eventually our sales also started getting impacted, our ads started getting impacted. People were, there must have been so many more queries from people, मेरा order कहाँ है, ये कहाँ है. उनको लग रहा होगा कि हम disappear हो गए हैं, ये तो fake brand है, whatever it was. Like, there was, emails were flooded. So one of the worst times of my life, to be very honest. And I remember then during the same duration, I had gone to Ahmedabad for a pop-up. And we were in an auto with all our saman going to the station, me and my team member. And achanak se notification aaya that, somebody liked your content or whatever. And we realized that our page is back.
Wow.
And, oh my God. It was such a sigh of relief. Oh my God. And मैं उसी दिन सुबह इतना रो रही थी फट के. Like, even my team was like, मुझे तो नहीं पता मैं इनको क्या बोलूँ. But it was like the most difficult time of my life, I think. Like, I know that हम उसके beyond भी कर जाते चीज़ें, ऐसा नहीं था. But then you gave it so much, right? You gave it so much of your time, your effort. There were so many pieces of content. कौन raw content रखता? You always go back to those memories also, right? There were memories, there were product photos, there were videos. It just felt like my entire world has been ज़मीन के नीचे से निकल जाना, इसको बोलते हैं. Most difficult time of my life.
मैंने ना ये next question सोचा नहीं है, लिखा नहीं आपके लिए, but I feel like asking this. उससे सबसे जब वो the notification came and you feel like wow, the world has come back, what is that one learning which you said भैया ये मैंने सीख लिया? What is that one learning? कुछ हुआ या नहीं हम दोबारा मस्त मौले और busy हो गए?
नहीं, I think I started taking Instagram guidelines very seriously. You also started learning that you cannot be dependent on one platform for everything.
I was looking for this answer, I'm telling you.
You cannot be dependent on one platform, especially on Meta that owns everything for everything.
Yes.
Even today, we are dependent on Meta for everything, right? For most of it. But that's the direction that we're looking at changing, that we want to be present everywhere else also. So in our attempt, we are also going on e-commerce platforms, on offline stores, etc. But yeah, that was my learning. You cannot put all your eggs under one basket. It's the worst decision that you can make. क्योंकि जब वो गया, बहुत लोगों के एड्स अकाउंट चले गए थे, इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट रह गए थे. इमेजिन द काइंड ऑफ शार्क टैंक से आपकी सेल्स बढ़ती है, आपकी सेल्स इट्स मच इट हैज गॉन डाउन द ड्रेन बिकॉज ऑफ इट. सो अगर आप +1 हुए हो शार्क टैंक जाके, आप -10 पे भी गए हो फिर. सो इट्स नॉट ऑल नाइस एंड हैप्पी.
बट ये शार्क टैंक में का एपिसोड एयर होने के कितने टाइम बाद हुआ ये?
I think 3 months after that. Yeah,
that was the time when you were at the height reaping those benefits. Yeah.
And how much difference it made to the sales? Like जब आप Shark Tank में appear हुए, जब आपका episode आया, तो
So I
आपके
think
sales
about 3x.
3x हुआ.
Yeah.
Okay.
3x sales.
So, my question was, when you got funding from Shark Tank, now it has been 1 year, yeah?
Over. Zyada.
Almost, That fund, how has that changed your life today when you're running business? That Shark Tank fund,
It
how did
hasn't.
that? Huh?
It hasn't, because I did not take the funds.
What?
What?
I did not go ahead and take the investment. I chose a different route. I think, I understand that when investments would come in, you would need to, in a way, give return to the investors, right? And give a good return to the investors. Now, that would mean that you need to increase your valuation. You would need to increase your market size. And that would mean that initially you're probably going for a burn. That approach was not quite well sitting with me. I wanted to grow a brand more sustainably. And again, the thing is that neither of the approaches, I believe, are wrong. I personally, as a person, the kind of person I am, I like doing things a certain way. Like I like doing things with more energy, with more fun, with no stress. I think when I am stressed, I don't perform well. So if I'm constantly in the stress that, mere ko valuation badhani, I might just end up taking the wrong decisions. I am not that kind of a founder, let's say. Like I mentioned, मेरी risk capacity इतनी high नहीं है. So वो risk capacity ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे अपने पैसों से नहीं है, मेरी किसी के पैसों से भी वो risk capacity नहीं है. आप मुझे अपने भी पैसे दोगे, like मैं सिर्फ mutual funds में डालूंगी. So yeah, things like those. So I wanted to grow it in a more sustainable manner, and we have been growing, and I wanted it to grow with my community together, like, taking my team members. I did not want to hire too many people at once and then fire too many people at once. I wanted to make sure that I'm hiring the right people, taking them along with me, taking my karigars along with me, because कल को जाकर अगर मेरा brand डूबा investment लेने के बाद, losses झेलने के बाद, मैं चेहरा नहीं दिखा पाती किसी को. And that's not something I want to do. I want to grow it sustainably, with a lot of love, with a lot of passion, with a lot of energy.
Lovely, yeah. I don't have this question. I because this is coming out of the conversation and the answer. I mean, I understand your emotions, but tell me one thing. Going to Shark Tank, appearing on Shark Tank is not one night thing. It's like good few months you would have prepared, form diya, sab kuch bheja. So in that process, you know what is that you're getting into. So, and then taking, very bluntly, this question very bluntly.
I took somebody else's spot.
Yeah, because somebody else's spot. You invested your time, Shark Tank's time. They were so, who invested in you? Anupam and Vinita.
Yeah.
So they both were so, this thing ki 100 crore karenge, ye karenge, wo karenge. तो ये realization पहली हो सकती थी, होनी चाहिए थी. And how come it happened after everything was done?
No, so it did not happen that way. I went through the entire due diligence process. I went met Vinita and Anupam also. I had found my company, did everything by the books of it. I spent so much of money there. I went and I met them, and they also had like contradicting views in the sense कि हम funds देकर क्या करेंगे. Like even they were in a dilemma. So I think it was not just a no from my side. It was a mutual decision that this might not be the best way unless we go a different route altogether. Now for me to change, like let's say for me to go into a lab grown diamond altogether was not something I was ready for. For them to invest into the current business models was not something that they were ready for. They were they're kind enough to give me their generous time. Anupam, in fact, I was going through a very bad phase recently. I'd posted something on social media about it too. And then he very generously messaged me on Instagram, told me let's get on a call. He got on a half an hour call with me. To give me some of his insights, some of what I can do. And I think if going to Shark Tank has helped me gain that half an hour from his time, where he thought of me and tried to help me, I think that's enough for me. As far as Shark Tank is concerned, I think that is a platform for entertainment, right? I gave them that. Like Sony is not here looking out for कि वो funding करवाएंगे. That is why they also bring brands on board जो उनको भी पता है, सबको पता है कि कभी फंड नहीं होंगे, they're funny people,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So
yeah.
it's not about taking a spot.
Yeah.
For Sony, it's about or for the brand of Shark Tank as such, of course it's about entrepreneurship, but it's also about entertainment,
Yeah.
right? It's also about bringing different stories together. It's about giving the idea of entrepreneurship. I think if people are seeing my episode and they are like, अच्छा ये कर सकती है तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ, 5,000 की इन्वेस्टमेंट से मैं भी शुरू कर सकती हूँ. It is giving somebody else the energy to start a business. And that is their job, that they wanted to inspire people towards entrepreneurship.
Yeah.
It's not just about funding, right?
So it was about entertainment.
And inspiring.
It makes sense because sometimes you'll realize certain things at one particular time only. Like you can't realize that before.
मतलब मुझे ये भी लगता है कि even in that 1 hour's time with sharks, वो कितना आपके ब्रांड को समझ लेंगे.
बिल्कुल.
उस टाइम दैट इज एकदम वो हो जाता ना कि हाँ इम्पल्सिव बाइंग थोड़ी ना कर सकते हो किसी के कंपनी में स्टेक लेकर. इट्स नॉट दैट. सो एंड फॉर यू ऑल्सो टू अंडरस्टैंड लाइक व्हेन थिंग्स स्टार्ट गेटिंग रियल, यू रियलाइज, राइट? लोग अपनी शादियों के वेन्यू से मंडप से भाग जाते हैं. यहाँ पे तो हमने कलेक्टिव डिसीजन लिया था.
सही बात है. True.
So tell me one thing, like when you started this brand, so you said that you started with just 5,000 rupees. So इतने कम अमाउंट से उसको स्टार्ट करना और फिर उसको स्केल करना, तो उसमें क्या चैलेंज आते हैं जब हम एक ऐसा ब्रांड है जिसमें जो बहुत कैपिटल इंटेंसिव नहीं है एज यू सेड, बट इसको स्केल करने में क्या चैलेंजेस आते हैं?
सो आई थिंक I took a conservative approach and I relied heavily at that point of time on organic marketing. It worked in my favor very beautifully. So I did not spend a lot on meta ads, performance marketing at that point of time. I spent a lot of my energy on something that I knew, storytelling. तो आपके पास कुछ ना ट्रेड होना पड़ेगा जिस पे आप बैंक कर सकते हो if it is not money. तो अगर आप if it is photography, videography, content, maybe you have contacts, whatever it is. Something apart from money and product, you'll need to have a skill that can help you grow. Scaling में जो challenges आते हैं, like 5,000, मेरे को I don't think scaling में बहुत major issues आए हैं, ठीक है? मतलब मेरे जिस हिसाब से करना चाहे वो उस हिसाब से आए. Yes, this growth can be ऊपर नीचे, मेटा की performance आपको ही पता, कभी ऊपर होगी कभी नीचे होगी. But I got the confidence कि यार 5,000 का सामान बिका, चलो 20,000 का खरीदती हूँ, 20,000 का सामान बिका 50,000 का खरीदती हूँ, 50,000 का सामान बिका 2 लाख का खरीदती हूँ. That was a good sustainable approach for me. Yes, अगर आपको if I were to start a business today, would I spend 5,000 initially? No, I would spend more because I have already learned that curve. If there's somebody who has probably learned something at an I had zero business experience, right? So मुझे नहीं पता था क्या करेगा कैसे करेगा. I had only worked in content up until then. तो मेरे लिए ये था कि मैं इससे शुरू करती हूँ, आगे बढ़ूँगा. अगर आज मुझे बिजनेस शुरू करना होगा तो शायद मैं ज़्यादा पैसे लगाऊंगी. इफ़ नॉट 5, मे बी 50,000, मे बी 5 lakhs, मे बी 50 lakhs, whatever my pocket loss, because I have learned the journey of 0 to 1. I would want to start at 1 then today. But at that point of time, I had started from 0. I built it up gradually. Now I'm at 1. Now I'm doing my journey of 1 to 10. That was the process of how I followed it. Like, आप कर सकते हो यार, मतलब it depends upon your... It depends from brand to brand also.
But again, I have a question here. You said, when you started, it was 5,000, and then you kind of grew this brand through storytelling.
Correct.
And this was during 2020.
Correct.
We cannot forget the world was also very different.
Correct.
That was such a... I should not be saying because that was a very bad time, very difficult time. But still, for few people, it came as blessing in disguise because people were locked in the rooms, nothing to do except being on the different platforms. My question again, through your conversation, अगर आज किसी को jewelry brand शुरू करना हो, because as you said, Sony का inspire करने का एक मोटो था. So मैं आज अगर जानना चाहूँ कि आज किसी को करना हो, बिल्कुल ऐसी कोई एक लड़की हो, स्टोरी टेलिंग नहीं है, कम्युनिटी भी नहीं है, और 5,000 10,000 से शुरू करना है, क्या ये प्रैक्टिकल है? Because it's not 2020 anymore, it's 25. Many people have
the answer ready.
Please.
I've been seeing these 2 girls on Instagram who जिसका I don't know if you have seen it, their content has gone really viral. I think 2-3 महीने भी नहीं हुए उनके 85,000 90,000 followers हो गए हैं. These 2 girls have started a brand called Firin, I don't remember, but they have only done it via storytelling. कि 2 दोस्त ब्रांड बनाएंगे, एक मैंने 25 दिन में ब्रांड लॉन्च करना है. It's a series, it's a whole blown series. I love it. I love seeing their content.
What is the brand about?
It's a clothing brand.
Clothing.
Right? And so they, again, it's a very raw organic content. Like, you know, people love seeing something different. कंटेंट तो अभी भी चल रहा है ना, कंटेंट का स्टाइल चेंज हो गया. उस टाइम पे शायद रील्स कुछ और चलती थी, अब कुछ और रील्स चलती है. एंड आई टेल यू व्हाट, while it is a bad thing for brands like me, it is a good thing for other brands. Now what has Instagram done is, it does not matter you have 250,000 followers, you have 5,000 followers, you are put on the same pedestal. आपका भी रील उतना ही अच्छा जाएगा जितना 250,000 का जा रहा है. हमारे कंटेंट में कभी कभी 5,000 व्यूज आते हैं, 7,000 व्यूज आते हैं, और कभी कभी 50,000 भी आते हैं. सो everything now depends upon how strong your content game is. It does not matter how many followers you have. So if you can create good content even today, you can still create a brand.
Wow.
But I would still suggest that is, if I were to start today, I would probably go on Meta first, because now I have learned that. Okay? But I would still create a lot of good content, because again, you need good content even for Meta. You need good content.
What do you mean by Meta? The ad route.
Meta ads, yeah.
Yeah.
You would still need good content to build your Instagram, to build your community. I would probably spend more time, like I made my website maybe 2.5 years later. I would first create the website. Like, I would do things a little different that can expedite my entire journey. Like जो चीज़ शायद मैंने 2 साल में अचीव करी, वो शायद मैं अब 2 महीने में अचीव कर सकती हूँ. I might not have achieved the same numbers of followers on Instagram, but I could have probably achieved the same amount of sales on my website. Having said that, that would have come at a additional cost. So my profitability would have been much lower.
Yeah.
But at least I would have jumped the journey from 2 years to, let's say, 2 months. So that's what money can do to you. It can help you do things faster.
Yeah, got it. And in the entire process, मुझे याद है शार्क टैंक पे भी सवाल था, और अभी भी मेरा सवाल है. I know you have started doing lot of other style maybe, or you are still today also, you guys are handcrafted, like every jewelry piece is handcrafted, is it?
Not necessarily. Every jewelry is not handcrafted. I think I would still say that 70% jewelry is still handcrafted.
Okay.
We still try and imitate a lot of things that people are doing abroad. Let's say things are being made in China. We try and create something similar, handmade in India. It is more expensive, but I would still want to do a lot more products in India as compared to just bringing them from China. But having said that, we still do a lot of jewelry that's not handcrafted.
What is your process of that entire, from start to finish, एक प्रोडक्ट को डेवलप करने का प्लीज प्रोसेस बताओ. कौन कौन इन्वॉल्व होता है?
So I think first is depending. Let's say Rakhi is coming, so I would just talk about Rakhi now, right? अभी मुझे पता है कि राखी है अगस्त में. I would need at least 3.5 months prior कि मैं उस पर काम करना शुरू कर दूँ. My first step right now is that, in fact, today only मेरे website में राखीज launch हो रही है, which are my previous collections, so that anybody who's coming to my website from now until 1 month, 2 months later would know that हमारी website में राखीज तो हैं, but our new Rakhi collection would be live sometime later. So अभी तक जितने भी orders आएंगे, जितने भी लोग आएंगे, they would at least get an idea that Rakhi's है. First is there, that information has been disseminated.
Lovely.
Number 2 would be that I started working with a designer on what ideas do we want to create. We'll go back, study these data that we had done last time, previous उसके पहले भी, कि क्या designs pick हो रहे. We know that there's a certain, now that it's our 5th year running, we know that एक certain audience behavior है, that okay, maybe वो थोड़े कूल वाले राखीज पसंद करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है. सो वी अंडरस्टैंड, वी गो बैक, स्टडी दी data, what was the data suggesting, what colors were people liking, what sizes were people liking, were they buying things for sister more, were they buying things for brother more, क्या proportion में चीज़ें हो रही थी. Study the data and then create the next set of strategy accordingly. Then we go, then I research, my designer research, my teams also research कि अच्छा क्या cool चल रहा है, like अभी क्या phrases cool चल रहे हैं, जो भी whatever. So we create those kind of phrases, we create those kind of words, we create those kind of motives कि अच्छा when I think about my brother, this is what I think, let's say, ठीक है. वो सब चीज़ें निकाल ली जाती है, and then I give it to my designer, और my designer shares it with me, and then she works on the sketch works. Once the sketch works are done, we think, okay, अच्छा ये sketch work अच्छा लग रहा है, नहीं लग रहा है. Once the sketch work is approved, then the digital drawings are done. Once the digital drawings are done and it's approved, then we go for sampling. When the sampling happens, जो digital drawing होती है versus जो sampling होती है, उसमें बहुत ज़मीन आसमान का difference होता है. So once that comes in, then we make a lot of कारीगर को समझाना होता है, क्योंकि कारीगर is not, उनको फोटोशॉप नहीं आता, उनको वो डिजिटल ड्राइंग समझ में नहीं आता, उसको जो समझ में आ रहा चाहिए ऐसा ही ऐसे बना देंगे, राइट. तो उनके साथ हमें लगना पड़ता है, सैम्पलिंग करवानी पड़ती है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस इन सैम्पलिंग एंड व्हेन वी आर लाइक, हाँ समटाइम्स डिजिटल ड्राइंग से बेटर अलग निकल के आता है, पर वो अच्छा लग रहा होता है. सो इफ दैट इज देयर, देन वी गो फॉर दैट. वंस दैट्स अप्रूव्ड, we give it for production, we do a photo shoot, we do this videos, etc., and then we push it to the website. So that's how it is. And then of course we run ads, we create content on Instagram, and that's how the entire thing starts to flow.
Lovely. So in the process, one thing which kind of maybe you can touch upon, and I remember Anupam Mittal asking you that also on the Shark Tank, कि fabric का percentage कितना है, you know? So that time maybe that was the kind of thing. So element जब design final कर लिया, तो now ये fabric का बनेगा या मोती का बनेगा या कांच का बनेगा,
समझ
that decision.
So no, for Rakhis, no, we do everything handmade, ठीक है? Because I feel that Rakhi is a very personal thing. I don't like doing metals and stuff for Rakhi. Maybe I do it this year. I don't know. ठीक है. For now, अभी तक up until now we had only done handcrafted Rakhis, and we do brass Rakhis also, and we'd also do some थोड़ा बहुत छोटा सेक्शन हम ऐसे बच्चों के लिए, थोड़ा किड्स राखी को हम जो मैग्नेट्स बन जाते हैं हम उसका कर देते हैं. बट मोस्टली इट्स 90% इज आर हैंडक्राफ्टेड राखीज ओनली. आई फील आई कैन रियली टॉक थ्रू द डिजाइन्स देयर. Otherwise, this is not talking, no. This is just looking good.
Yeah.
So when it comes to Rakhi, because it's so personal, I wanted to talk. So everything is made on fabric. It's on a felt.
Media.
It's felt, right?
Yeah.
And then you use moti, then you use pearls, then you whatever the design elements. When you do the digital drawing, we use different kinds of raw material like thread, moti, pearl, kardana, beads, etc. Whatever it is. So वो सारा उसमें detailed out होता है. And then whatever the designer suggest करता है, or whatever we feel that sometimes हमें लगता है कि अच्छा कांच is doing really well, for example. So we will go for mirror based jewelry or whatever, mirror based rakhi. So whatever is going well. Sometimes it will depend upon कि the intricacy of the design वो किस में best बन सकता है. तो उसके हिसाब से हम choose करते हैं material.
Got it.
So as a Marwadi, what is the number one thing that you had to learn the hard way about building a D2C brand? Because traditionally, obviously, Marwadi families were like used to do the offline kind of business,
Correct.
like B2B ho generally. But आपने एक totally different business है D2C, and it's a totally different challenge. तो आपको ऐसी क्या चीज़ है जो like you've learned the hard way?
See, I still come from very Theth Marwadi family, right? Like, in my families, they are, especially the people around me, my cousins, they're very wealthy. Sometimes wealth, and this is a very different, I think I'm not answering your question correctly. I'll answer it in two parts. One is your emotional learning, right? You don't need to compare yourself. Though my cousins, they deal in, let's say, crores, like, on an everyday basis. Construction business, automobile business, etc. Meanwhile, I'm running a very smaller revenue business, okay? But I'm living a very healthy and a happy life, and I'm very happy that I don't have a lot of stress on my head, okay? Don't have a lot of creditors, don't have a lot of कि पैसे अटके हुए हैं, whatever. So that's a decision that you have to make. Like, that is something that I have made my peace with, that मेरा इतना कमाई होगा, मैं इसमें खुश हूँ, ठीक है? That is one thing that I had to, क्योंकि मैंने अपने घरों में ना बहुत अलग पैसे की बात सुनी हुई है. ये बहुत अलग पैसा है, ठीक है? उनको नहीं समझ में आता कि भाई तुम मार्केटिंग में ऐसे कितना 25%, 30% मार्केटिंग में खर्च कर रहे हो. दे डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, राइट? कि 25% बिजनेस में मार्केटिंग को दे रहे हो तुम. ये मेरे पापा कहते हैं, एक काम करो, इसमें तुम एड्स मत रन करो. मैंने कहा कैसी बातें कर रहे हो, एड्स मत रन करो. बोला हाँ. सो I'll share another story इसके बाद. तो this is something that I'm like, नहीं भाई, their way of running a business is very different, and you cannot take their learnings and put it as is here. आप कुछ चीज़ें सीख सकते हो उनसे, but then they are two very different businesses. You cannot learn from there and put here things here. The kind of people they deal with, the kind of relationship that they have with the employees, you cannot have it here. वहाँ पे या तो आपका एम्प्लॉय आपका नौकर हो जाता है, या तो आपका एम्प्लॉय आपका दोस्त बन जाता है. यहाँ पे इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट ball game altogether, right? So you cannot be overwhelmed by what they are doing. You cannot be like कि अच्छा ये वहाँ पे ऐसा हो रहा है तो मैं यहाँ पे ऐसा कर सकती हूँ. नहीं होता है वो. Second, I think जब businesses में मैंने पापा और को काम करते हुए देखा था तो वो ना बहुत रगड़ के काम करते थे. एंड सुबह ऐसे 8 बजे दुकान जाते थे, रात को 8 बजे तक दुकान में होते थे, सैटरडे को भी वो करते थे. टुडे थिंग्स हैव चेंज. वी ऑल्सो हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एट हैंड. मतलब अगर वेकेशन पे जाना होता था मेरे डैड को, he would ask my uncle to come to the shop and sit for 1 week there ताकि वो वेकेशन पे जा सके. I think that is the kind of leverage, like that's the kind of changes that I would want कि हाँ भाई मैं ये सारी चीज़ें अपने साथ, मतलब I would take vacations. Even I work on vacations, but then I would take more time out for myself. So those are some changes that I have done. Now to answer your question कि business wise मेरे को क्या difference, ये जब मैंने वो चीज़ करी नहीं तो मैं कैसे बताऊँ. आई थिंक आई हैव नॉट सीन द वर्स्ट, लाइक दैट इज़ अ वेरी बैड फेज. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं कभी जाना ही नहीं चाहूँगी. मैंने जिसको ऐसे फैमिली, क्योंकि मारवाड़ी बिजनेस में यूजुअली फैमिली बिजनेस होते हैं, या तो लोगों के सर में टेंशन है या तो लोगों के सर में डेट है. मुझे जाना ही नहीं है. मुझे टेंशन फ्री लाइफ जीनी है. If you can repeat your question again, I would again like to put.
So I was saying that as a D2C brand, बिल्कुल अलग challenge है. तो what is like you have learned something the hard way कि यार you know ये वाली चीज़ ना मुझे बड़ी मुश्किल से समझ में आई, but ये this is a very big lesson for me क्योंकि D2C is a different thing, like you were learning on your own.
And I would like to add on what he's saying. As your Marwadi मतलब धंधा आता है, business आता है. So what is he saying? Your धंधा was D2C.
This is a new way of doing.
तो should you be considered as कि भैया नॉन मारवाड़ी समझो, क्योंकि मैं तो जीरो से ही शुरू हुई.
हाँ, मैं तो जीरो से ही शुरू हुई. Plus like I said, I think very big aspect is कि मारवाड़ीज ना अपने लिए सारा पैसा रखना चाहते हैं. ठीक है, दे डू नॉट बिलीव कि ब्रांड बिल्डिंग करो, थोड़ा सा और बेटर कुछ हो, बेटर पैकेजिंग हो. अरे सामान ही तो बेचना, सामान बेचो.
You know, I totally resonate with you because we run a marketing agency and हमें लोग कंसल्टिंग के लिए बुलाते हैं and we are shocked कि यार मतलब कंपनी का टर्नओवर करोड़्स में है और आप उनको 1 लाख रुपए का बिल दे दो तो they are like कि यार भाई क्या
दे दिया है, क्या दे दिया है ये.
So they don't believe in building a brand and they don't understand. And in like हम उनको समझाते हैं कि आप किसी भी कैटेगरी को उठा लो और आप देख लो कोई भी अगर ब्रांड आप जिसको आप बोलते हो ब्रांड जिसके लिए कस्टमर 10x प्राइस पे कर रहा है, उसने भाई मार्केटिंग पे स्पेंड किया है तभी वो आज आया है.
करेक्ट.
बट फॉर सम रीजन लाइक बहुत आई अंडरस्टैंड इंडियंस का है मेंटालिटी, लाइक नॉट जस्ट मारवाड़ी, एवरी बिजनेसमैन इन इंडिया, जो ऑब्वियसली मेजॉरिटी मारवाड़ी हैं, लेकिन इवन नॉन मारवाड़ीज आल्सो दे हैव दिस मेंटालिटी कि यार बिना मार्केटिंग के चल तो रहे तो मार्केटिंग क्यों करनी है.
करेक्ट.
बट दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड.
आई वुड लाइक टू पुट इन सेंटेंस, मारवाड़ी चाय बेचेगा, ट्रेडिशनल मारवाड़ी बिजनेसेस चाय बेचेंगे, न्यू एज मारवाड़ी बिजनेसेस चायोस बेचेंगे.
अरे वाह, क्या.
That is how I would like to put it. Right? So they would want to package it well, they want to serve it better, they want to give you add-on services. And people today are ready to pay. तो वो बोले कि मैं पैसा दूंगी तुम्हें, तुम मुझे quality सामान दो, you give me experience, you give me a good unboxing experience, you give me a good story, you give me a good, when I'm seeing your product. तो what I've also seen is traditionally ऐसा होता था, फोटो में ये है, रियलिटी में कुछ और है, कोई बात नहीं, इतना ही तो डिफरेंस है. When we are giving you a photo, we want it to look exactly like what you will be getting. We'll give you 10 different photos of customers wearing it. We'll give you, we want you to know that अच्छा ये अगर हम ईयरिंग की फोटो लगा रहे हैं और इसके कस्टमर ने इसको इस तरीके से पहना हुआ है, इस तरीके से पहना, इस तरीके से पहना हुआ है, so that when you're shopping online, so that when you're putting your money on a brand, you're like हाँ सही है, मतलब मेरे को वही मिल रहा है जिसके लिए I am opting for stuff. We also believe in a lot of customer satisfaction. So I think those things are typically missing from traditional businesses. This is what I would want to change, right? I would want to put money on building a brand. I think वहाँ पे कभी भी ये नहीं था कि business को कोई जाने, धंधा हो रहा है, if the पैसे आ रहे हैं ठीक है. They are not concerned about who the founder is, who the business owner is, what the brand is looking like, where is the brand position. पैसा आना चाहिए. यहाँ पे I think all of those things are changing for me. कि why am I here? My dad would never be here. I think my dad would be. My dad is a little थोड़ा सा वो समझते हैं अब, क्योंकि ही इज इन माई अरीना ना, लाइक वो रिटायर्ड है, वो देखता है हाँ मुझे भी आना है, मुझे भी करना है. तो हाँ, बट आई विल बी हियर बिकॉज it's not adding any value, monetary value to my brand, right? But it's adding certain value. So I would spend my time, energy on doing those things. So I would also like वहाँ पे दिवाली होएगी तो पापा ऐसे मिठाई दे देंगे. I would want to give something else to my brand. I would want to take them on a vacation with them. ये कौन करता है वहाँ पे? है ना? तो
Yeah.
those kind of things I think I would want to change when I am with my business at least.
Lovely. That's awesome. Because you are a content creator, you have got an influence on Instagram. And we all call such a person influencer. And but tell me one thing, last 4-5 years now, when you started this journey, influencer culture में, influencer marketing में, ऐसी कोई चीज़ that is something which is very trending and you are done with it. कि every second influencer is doing, या यही तरीका है, यही होता है, and you're like, no. I am done with. I will not do it.
Too much of pressure or too much of showing off, I think. Like Chanel bag, Prada bag, Gucci sunglasses, whatever. Like, you know, like हर रोज कुछ नया सामान खरीदना, हर रोज कुछ नया सामान दिखाना, 1500 different mascaras use करना. I think I want to take and I'm not saying I've not done that. I've been a culprit there myself. But I am personally deciding against it for myself now. Like, I think that there's too much of overconsumption. I think you show when as a creator, when you're creating content, or let's say you got a Prada bag, okay, and there's nothing wrong with it. I am done with it. Okay? I don't want to be influenced by the fact that if she owns a Prada, I need a Prada, because my life is very different from hers. I might have the same money as her, but I might want to put my money somewhere else. Yeah. I might want to put my money, let's say, into fostering another dog, into, let's say, getting my health checkups done, or whatever, into getting myself a running coach, whatever it is. So we need to consciously, कहीं पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I am done with a lot of unboxing and ये product वो product हर रोज. Every day if you show me 5, same creator showing me 5 outfits every day, कितना खरीदेगा इंसान? Over consumption, over selling, that is one trend. And second is monetizing weddings. I am done seeing that. भाई क्रिएटर का रोका नहीं होता है, 50 वीडियोस बन जाते हैं. So that is one thing. I like what happens is actually the pressure is so much on the creator also. There's so many brand deals. Of course, money is there. Like money is important to them also, to everybody else. I feel that people have stopped living in the present and have started doing everything for the gram. I have been there too, and I think that was where I decided, like, it was a conscious call for me to not get into too much. Like, you know, sometimes I don't create content for a month. I was like, then that is fine. And that is only because I have the privilege of I own a brand. And I want to leave that demarcation. I want to have the demarcation where I have a different brand, which is my bread and butter. But content creation is not my bread and butter, because content creation, what it looks to you, लोग ये बोलते हैं ना कि real अलग है, reel अलग है. It is actually true. बहुत different चीज़ें होती हैं. Have you seen those videos जहाँ पे क्रिएटर आ रहा है, फ्रिज खोल रहा है, कुछ सामान निकाल रहा है? इमेजिन हाउ इट इज डन. वो फोन पहले रख रहा है, वापस चल के जा रहा है, वापस फ्रिज खोला. एंड इट इज हाउ इट इज. लाइक दोज आर शॉर्ट्स ऑल्सो. यू कैन टेल इट देयर आर सर्टन थिंग्स दैट आर डन फ्रॉम अ थीमेटिक पर्सपेक्टिव, राइट? लाइक वो सिनेमैटिक होता है, वो अच्छा लगता है, दैट इज देयर. बट देन समटाइम्स अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर recreated to give that effect. And a lot of people, a lot of followers will not know this, but as a creator, I know it. I know why was that shot done. तो मुझे ना, क्योंकि आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट, मुझे वो बहुत ख़राब लगता है. मैं ऐसे इसलिए आई स्टॉप माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम स्क्रोलिंग अनलेस इट्स अ डॉग वीडियो, कैट वीडियो, हाउस वीडियो. मैं वहाँ पे रुक जाती हूँ. आई लाइक ओनली सीइंग लाइक मोर इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट इन टुडेज टाइम.
Lovely.
Makes sense. Because a lot of like if I take my own example, तो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम कहीं घूमने जाते हैं और मैं सोचता हूँ यार इस बार ना बहुत अच्छा सा रील शूट करूँगा और कुछ डालूंगा, बट इवेंचुअली आई रियलाइज कि यार व्हेन आई एम शूटिंग और आई एम क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट, आई एम नॉट लिविंग इन दैट मोमेंट.
करेक्ट.
तो मैं हमेशा ड्रॉप कर देता हूँ कि यार ठीक है यार, मेरे लिए हॉलीडे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये कंटेंट को छोड़ो. सो देयर इज एन अर्ज कि यार आप बनाओ, बट अल्टीमेटली व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, then you realize कि यार ये तो बहुत, मतलब it looks so easy but it's not.
It's not.
Because you are not enjoying your moment.
Correct. So I think you need to, as a most creators need to nail the game of how to do that without not living in the present. So I think अगर आप थोड़ा कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रहे हो, लाइक ना, इट्स लाइक वर्किंग ऑन अ वेकेशन. लाइक यू हैव टू ट्रीट दैट यू आर वर्किंग ऑन अ वेकेशन. जैसे अगर मैं अपना ज्वेलरी बिजनेस का भी, आई टेक आउट 1 hour डेडिकेटेड आवर कि मैं उसके लिए लोगों से बात कर लूँ, टीम से फॉलो अप कर लूँ. कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स वुड ऑल्सो नीड टू लाइक, अच्छा हम 1 घंटा ये निकाल के ये कंटेंट शूट कर लेते हैं, एंड देन enjoy the rest of the day to myself, do
Yeah,
whatever I want to
then
do.
that makes sense.
Then that
Yeah.
makes a lot of sense. So that is the strategy that even I apply whenever I am traveling or I want to do something. कि अच्छा ठीक है, if I need my photos and stuff, I'm like निश्चित या तो हम एक जगह पूरा घूम लेते हैं, उसके बाद में तू मेरी फोटोज ले लो, या तो पहले मेरे फोटोज ले लो, उसके बाद हम पूरा घूम लेते हैं. Either way.
Yeah.
ठीक है, ताकि when I am then traveling there, then मुझे नहीं भसड़ बचाने, बार फोन निकालो, ये करो वो करो, नहीं चाहिए. Half the times even I plan a lot of content, I say यार नहीं यार ये अभी अच्छा लग रहा है, यहाँ पे बैठ के एक मार्गरीटा पी रही हूँ, बढ़िया लग रहा है, यही रहने दो अभी, स्टेटस को.
This is nice.
Makes sense. Yeah.
So, anything that you would like to ask? Okay, I can ask. Talking to you looks like that you're in a very happy space.
नजर मत लगा, नजर मत
नहीं.
I believe in नजर too much.
No. I am a person of absolute divine energy. So divine energies are always very, very blessing energies. So you know, भगवान करे वो खूब अच्छी सी और growth हो और मेहर हो ऊपर वाले की. But you are in a space which is very happy, very. You are somebody where अभी podcast से पहले भी जब हमने शुरू किया, you were saying सब अच्छा है, but that does not mean that I will not strive for good or you know better. But my question is, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता entrepreneurship की जर्नी में या कंटेंट क्रिएशन की जर्नी में, बिकॉज आज जो दीक्षा हम देख रहे हैं वो 5 साल मैच्योर दीक्षा है, यू नो.
Correct.
सो लास्ट 5 सालों में या 7 सालों में या यू नो वेन एवर यू फील लाइक यू नो लास्ट 10 years और इवन टुडे, there are times when you fail, there are times when you like what then इंस्टाग्राम वाला जवाब नहीं, मतलब रियलिटी में उस वक्त क्या काम करता है यार. हाउ डू यू ब्रिंग बैक योर सेल्फ इन एक्शन? यू आर नॉट लिविंग विद लाइक हम साथ साथ है, नानू है, दादी है, गाना बज रहा है, ढोल बज रहा है, मूड ऐसा नहीं होता है. यू हैव टू शो अप एवरी डे. ना व्हाई हाउ वो कैसे होता है?
यार मेरे को ये पता है कि मैं तो तभी ठीक होती हूँ जब धंधा ठीक हो जाता है.
पर कई बार धंधा ही खराब चल रहा होता
तो
है.
उसके लिए मैं बस हाथ पैर मारती रहती हूँ. I keep doing it, like I keep doing every day in day out. जैसे अगर मान लो आपका धंधा नहीं आ रहा है, आपका एड्स मतलब कर देख रहे हो 20 ऑर्डर आ रहे हैं, क्या करूँगी ऐसे पूरा अपना अच्छा जॉब कर लेती हूँ, छोड़ देती हूँ, ये सब भी आ जाता है. ठीक है, ऐसे मतलब बहुत सारे ऐसे ख्याल आ जाते हैं, यार होम लोन कैसे पे करेंगे, सब आ जाएगा. बट देन दैट इज देयर, बट एट द सेम टाइम मैं रात को रिसर्च करूँगी क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. आई विल सी माई फैक्टर्स. प्रोडक्ट ख़राब है तो प्रोडक्ट चेंज करो, एजेंसी ख़राब है एजेंसी चेंज करो, कंटेंट ख़राब है कंटेंट चेंज करो. कहीं ना कहीं तो कुछ ना कुछ तो अटकेगा ना. सो सिंस दिसंबर अंटिल मार्च वी वर इन अ वेरी बैड स्पेस, लाइक यू नो सेल्स वर डाउन बाय 30-40%. ठीक है, वी वर सर्वाइविंग.
क्या रोएस आता है इन जनरल? व्हाट इज अ गुड रोएस फॉर यू?
आई थिंक above 4 I'm happy.
Okay.
ठीक है, I'm
You're
like
able to make a profit.
I'm making profit. ठीक है, below 4 I'm stressed. Below 3.5 I'm depressed.
ठीक है. Okay.
तो
And what is the highest ROAS that you have touched?
so creative wise or overall ROAS?
Overall, मतलब जब आप मेटा एड चलाते हो and all the मेटा एड,
मतलब
नहीं,
ads
नहीं,
का ROAS,
ads
सिर्फ
का
ads.
ROAS.
नहीं, I'm saying monthly ROAS का एवरेज आप पूछ रहे हो.
monthly, yeah.
I think we have done 4.5, 4.7.
which is good.
हाँ, ठीक है, तो that is the highest that we have done.
ठीक है.
On a daily basis fluctuate करता है, कभी कभी 6 भी reach कर जाता है.
Yeah,
right?
correct.
तो 4.5, 4.7 I'm happy.
Yeah.
Vacation पे जाऊंगी मैं, ठीक है. 3.3 में तो मैं रोऊंगी मैं, ठीक है. But then the thing is that वो कभी 4 भी था, वो कभी 3.5 भी रहा है, and every day I still मैं बहुत आई नो ईच ऑफ माई ऑर्डर. आई ओपन ईच ऑर्डर एंड आई सी कि इसमें क्या है, ताकि आई नो व्हाट आर दी पैटर्न्स. आई हैव नेवर स्टॉप लर्निंग. आई हैव नेवर स्टॉप. कभी कभी आप क्या होता है, बहुत कंफर्टेबल स्पेस में हो जाती है, यू गेट कॉम्प्लेसेंट. यू नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट कॉम्प्लेसेंसी, लाइक कि घुसो, क्या दिक्कत आ रही है. अगर अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है कुछ, तो कहीं ना कहीं तो दिक्कत है, समथिंग इज नॉट सेटिंग राइट. सो आई चेंज फैक्टर्स. मैंने प्रोडक्ट चेंज कर दिया, अब क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, आई चेंज माई एजेंसी. I'm getting better results now. So things like those, like you know, you need to do something different, packaging different. जैसे वेबसाइट में चेंजेस करे मैंने, क्या पता वो बहुत मोमेंटरी, बहुत छोटा सा ही मेरे को गेन देगा. बट मे बी डिफरेंट चेंजेस अगर 1% का मैं चेंज करूँ, हर मतलब 1% की इंप्रूवमेंट हर जगह से लाऊँ, तो दैट वुड बी अ लॉट ऑफ इंप्रूवमेंट एट वंस, राइट. सो या आई कीप, मैं ऐसे खाली नहीं बैठ सकती हूँ, अभी कुछ और चाहिए करने को, चेंज करो.
So to bring back or to come back is again going back to action only.
हाँ, हाँ, there is no sitting and thinking कि कुछ हो जाएगा, कोई कुछ नहीं हो रहा.
कोई कुछ नहीं होता है.
You have to go follow everything. Like you have to talk to people. I spoke to so many founders कि भाई तेरा रोआस क्या आ रहा है.
Correct.
हर थोड़ी देर में एक ही कॉन्वर्सेशन, क्या रोआस आ रहा है, मार्केट थोड़ा खराब चल रहा है. Every time I ask an agency यार रोआस नहीं आ रहा है, अरे अभी मिंत्रा की सेल हुई थी इसलिए रोआस नहीं आ रहा है. स्टैंडर्ड आंसर मारो, अभी मिंत्रा नायका की सेल हुई थी ना इसलिए रोआस नहीं आ रहा है. तो आई कॉल अप डिफरेंट फाउंडर्स, बोले यार इस जनवरी फरवरी मार्च तो बहुत खराब था, समर्स आएंगे क्या पता अच्छा हो जाए, अरे राखी आएगा क्या पता अच्छा हो जाए. ठीक है, तो यार मेटा पे डिपेंडेंसी बहुत ज्यादा है, ऑफलाइन चलते हैं. सो ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स आर लाइक अ स्टैंडर्ड कॉन्वर्सेशन. सो आई टॉक टू फाउंडर्स, आई टॉक टू डिफरेंट, लेट्स से आई टॉक नाउ दैट आई हैव योर कॉन्टैक्ट, आई कॉल यू अप एंड आई आस्क यू स्टफ. आई कॉल माय agency, I'll call my friend, like my best friend who is in an offline business. I'll call कुछ नया business शुरू कर. तो the thing never stops. Like you know, आप जितने conversation करते रहोगे ना, आपको पता नहीं क्या click हो जाए, कहाँ पे क्या. जैसे I called up a friend only and I was like यार भाई ऐसा हो रहा है, ये रुआस नहीं आ रहा. मैंने पूछा तेरा रुआस क्या आ रहा है, उसने बोला 7 आता है और ना bad month 7 आता है. मैंने कहा ओ भाई agency का नंबर दे दे. तो मतलब you know, and then she shared her agency's contact and whatever. जो भी तो these things keep going on. I think whatever.
But one caveat just for like our audience, it ROAS depends on the business also. कई बार क्या होता है, कई लोगों को 20 का भी आ रहा होता है, but like you have to just see कि वो किस business में.
Correct. What is the profitability? What is the sale? अगर मान लो आज मैं एक अपना कोई ad चलाऊं जिसमें मैं 99 में सब कुछ कर दूं, मेरा ROAS खिंच जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
Am I making profit at that? So I think different businesses will have different profit margins, and a certain industry will have a certain average ROAS. I think as long as you know कि अच्छा इस पे तुम टिक जाओगे, तुम उसका हिसाब से अपना business बना रहे हो, it's a good model, right? Like it's a good thing. But I have also realized it that just dependent on meta ads would not help. So let's say when this month when you're doing good, नजर ना लगे यार.
No. You attract abundance by that way. ये नजर ना लगे गड़बड़ कर देगा, मत बोलो. Attract abundance.
So this time when we were doing stuff, what we were trying, see, I don't chase, I attract. Okay, cool. So this time when I decided on, like you know, when we changed our agency also, when we launched new products also, we like कि इसको we started doing UGC content. We started, a lot of influencers reach out to us. तो कुछ ना कुछ हिट कर रहा था. लाइक नो व्हाट आई सीन इज दैट अगर आप 99 टाइम्स करते जाओ, आपको 100 टाइम पे चल जाएगा. यू नीड टू बट गो फ्रॉम 0 to 99. आपको जाना पड़ेगा. आप 5 तक जाके बोल नहीं सकते कि मैं वापस आ रही हूँ, मैं बंद कर रही हूँ. यू कैन नॉट इट. वो बोलते हैं ना बिजनेस में ऑन गोइंग कॉन्सेप्ट होता है. लाइक योर बिजनेस विल कैरी ऑन, सो यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ इट कि वो अनगिनत दिन तक चलेंगे. तो मैं वो उस हिसाब से सोचती हूँ, आज नहीं चल रहा, अब कल होगा, कल नहीं होगा, परसों होगा. पर आई विल स्ट्राइव फॉर इट एवरी डे. आई विल डू समथिंग और द अदर एवरी डे टू मेक श्योर कि कहीं ना कहीं से तो कुछ बिजनेस आ जाए.
Awesome. That's awesome.
But tell me one thing, like आपका जो Instagram वाला एपिसोड था, वो मैं उसको थोड़ा सा और एक्सपैंड करना चाहता हूँ. Like you have realized कि सिर्फ एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे डिपेंडेंसी इज नॉट
करेक्ट. हाँ.
सो अभी आपने कुछ स्टेप्स लिए हैं कि इंस्टाग्राम के अलावा कुछ आप और
Channels.
ऐसा कर रहे हो, चैनल क्रिएट कर रहे हो जिससे आपकी
अपना,
डिपेंडेंसी
like your channel, your brand channel.
Like I'm not talking about Instagram altogether. मतलब आपका अपना पर्सनल चैनल भी है, but
नहीं, I'm talking about platforms other than Instagram, right?
Correct.
So let's say हमारा dependency on Google was very less पहले. So we have consciously made a decision in the last 7-8 months that okay, we'll spend more time on Google. We'll run Google ads also. We will increase our SEO keywords. Like पहले हमने description वगैरह ऐसे ही कुछ भी डाल देते थे. अब SEO keywords हमारा stronger हो, हमारे जब हम एक product की photo डल रही है तो उसमें और बहुत सारी फोटोज हो. वी डिड नॉट हैव रिटर्न एंड एक्सचेंज, सो वी एडेड रिटर्न एंड एक्सचेंज ऑन आवर प्लेटफॉर्म. सो थिंग्स लाइक वेरी स्मॉल चेंज. लाइक जैसे अब एक छोटा चेंज हम ला रहे हैं, दिस इज तो चलो मैंने आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म बता दिया दैट आवर वेबसाइट नीड्स टू बी बेटर इज वन चेंज. आवर डिपेंडेंसी ऑन गूगल, देन वी आर ऑल्सो गोइंग ऑन ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक गो ऑन मिंत्रा. वहाँ पे क्या होता है ना, आपका ऑब्वियसली योर मार्जिन्स आर टेकन अवे. बट क्या होता है कि अगर मान लो आप कोई चीज़ की इन्वेंट्री क्रिएट कर रहे हो 1000, अब आपका मेटा चल नहीं रहा है, आप वहाँ से 200 ही निकाल पा रहे हो, मिंत्रा आपका निकाल देगा 800. सो दैट वे एटलीस्ट आप लॉसेज में नहीं जाओगे, या कहीं पे आपकी थोड़ी लो प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी पे आप निकल जाओगे वहाँ से बिकॉज ऑफ मार्जिन्स, बिकॉज ऑफ वॉल्यूम ऑफ गेम. तो आपको वो डिसीजंस लेने पड़ेंगे. आई एम ऑल्सो लर्निंग. सी आई एम ऑल्सो फर्स्ट टाइम फाउंडर एट इन माई फैमिली, इन माई फ्रेंड्स ऑफ ग्रुप जो D2C business online run कर रहा है. So everything is new for me also. So I am very appalled by the fact that I did not go on Myntra पहले. मतलब आई एम वेरी मैड एट माई सेल्फ फॉर दैट कि मैं क्यों नहीं गई. मेरे को हमेशा लगता था यार मिंत्रा में तो मार्जिन ही नहीं है, इंस्टाग्राम में तो इतना सारा मार्जिन आ जाता है क्योंकि आई वॉज नॉट रनिंग एज एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. बढ़िया है, इंस्टाग्राम से करो काम, अपना वेबसाइट वगैरह क्यों चाहिए. देन यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग स्मॉल थिंग्स कि अच्छा अब अगर तुम्हारे को इससे ऊपर वॉल्यूम चाहिए तो मैं मैनुअली कितने लोगों को रिप्लाई करूंगी, कितने एरर्स होंगे. पहले ये दिमाग में आता था, यू वुड थिंक स्मॉल पहले. अच्छा कि मैं अगर वेबसाइट करूंगी मुझे शॉपिफाई को भी पैसे देने पड़ेंगे, मुझे रेजर पे को भी पैसे देने पड़ेंगे, मुझे ऐसे इतना करना पड़ेगा. तो हम अब वेबसाइट पे नहीं इंस्टाग्राम पे ऑर्डर लेते हैं. बट देन यू रियलाइज दैट इंस्टाग्राम विल ओनली हेल्प यू take these many orders. If you want this much, you need a website. Now you want this much, you need to go on e-commerce. Now you want it, so you need to go on even, let's say you want to go on multi-brand stores. So things like those, that is what we are focusing on. Ki acha, there's a store in Ambient Mall called Broadway. So we went, gave our physical presence there. Like, you know, on commission models पे हम कहीं पे होते हैं, कहीं पे retainer model पे होते हैं. Some are loss making also, but ठीक है, कहीं पे branding, like let's say for branding के नाम पे हमने कुछ करा नहीं था, तो वो that was a branding activity also that we did. Maybe वहाँ से घूम कर customer कहीं और से हमारे पास आए. So
तो offline भी कर रहे हो आप?
Very less as of right now because I don't have the team size right now, and also stop and shop models have not seemed to work a lot if it is on a fixed payment basis. Like अगर आपको monthly rentals देने पड़ रहे हैं तो it does not work. If it's working only on commission model, it will work. तो हाँ, ऐसे बोला हम है कुछ stores में, like we are in a store in Hyderabad, we are a store in Goa, we are a store in Delhi. So अब कितना expand हम कितना rapidly कर पाए, because that also means that you're blocking a lot of inventory, right? So we're again, आई नो मैं 4 साल बाद यही वापस बोल रही होगी कि यार उस टाइम फास्ट कर लेना चाहिए था, बट ठीक है, एवरीथिंग.
बट आपने जो ऑफलाइन स्टोर है ये कैसे क्रैक किया? लाइक सम पर्सनल,
आई हैव नॉट क्रैक्ड इट ओनली, नो मतलब नहीं. अच्छा, हाउ डू आई फाइंड? So let's say I went to this store called Broadway and I saw that I love shopping from them. So I reached out to them and I was like, I want to place my products here.
Oh, okay.
That's it. Like some brands reach out to us कि अच्छा we love your products, we would love to put it on our store in Kerala or whatever, जो भी. So ठीक है, अगर हमें लग रहा है कि अच्छा placement अच्छा है, sales अच्छी आ सकती है, तो हम लगा देते हैं. So this store in Goa, we are at 3 different stores with them, and we have been with them for 2.5-3 years now. I'm not saying that the sales are too much, but there's no loss for us there. No, whatever money is coming is profit. The founders are good. कहीं पे कोई जो लोग जाते, 2 लोग हमारे गोवा में, somebody is at that store shopping, they see our brand. ठीक है, like happy that way.
Yeah.
Got it.
Lovely. So ये question मैंने सोचा नहीं था, but then again came out of the conversation. Because you said, मुझे पता है 4 साल बाद जाके मैं यही बोलूँगी यार मैंने कर लिया होता. Because आज बहुत कुछ ऐसा बोल रहे हो आप because of your experience of last 5 years now in the business. But again, I'll go back today. A little girl, like a 25-30-year-old girl, thinking to start exactly this, listens to this podcast and says, अच्छा तो मिंत्रा भी कर लूँ, वेबसाइट भी कर लूँ, रेजर पे भी दे दूँ, you know, ये कर दूँ, वो कर दूँ. What are the steps? What this and fashion jewelry, I mean real, क्या कहते हैं, बड़ी दीक्षा एक छोटी दीक्षा को क्या सच वाला लेसन दे with that mind of abundance कि ओके जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी सिमरन, जा ये ले.
So I feel that देखो सब कुछ, I believe that if you're starting and if you're like me, let's say, no, one is that you come with a lot of funding, you have a lot of family money and everything. I'm not considering all of that. I'm saying that तूने अपने पैसे लगाने, you have too much of ego to take money from your parents. So if you're starting with your own money, you're conscious, you're like me. If you're like me, then start small. There is no harm and you will learn everything. यार मेरे को Shopify क्या होता है पता ही नहीं था, Razor पे क्या होता है मुझे पता ही नहीं था. Everything I have learned, and it is not rocket science. You will learn everything and you will understand everything. कुछ नहीं है. I would say that if you want intern at a place, work at a place जहाँ पे आप ये सारी चीज़ें सीख सको, प्लीज़ उसका जाके कंपटीशन मत खराब करना. जैसे उसी का वेंडर लिया और वैसे मेरे साथ हुआ है.
That's unethical.
ठीक है, तो go work for a D2C brand, go work, if you want to start jewelry, you can work for a jewelry brand also, but at least don't go and take their vendors and start it, right? Because then you would always learn for the wrong intentions. ठीक है, go learn how to start, how to do whatever, do internships, start your business, everything. No, आप एक step लोगे, अगर आप काम करते रहोगे, if you have started your Instagram page, आपको लोग ही खुद बोलेंगे do you have a website, then आपको दिमाग में अच्छा वेबसाइट होना नहीं है. जब आप वेबसाइट पे जाओगे, आप रिसर्च करोगे how to make a website, abundance of content पढ़ा हुआ है, आप you reach out, अगर आपको, and पता है क्या, सब चीज़ का आंसर गूगल पे है. आपको बस जाके डालना है. मतलब मुझे मेरी टीम का भी पूछ रहा है, दीक्षा मुझे आपसे पूछना है ये कैसे करना है, मैंने कहा गूगल क्यों है भाई. ये क्या सवाल है, ये नहीं हो रहा मतलब तो गूगल पे आपको सबका आंसर मिल जाएगा कि आपको आप रेजर पे वर्सेस लेट्स से सम पे, ठीक है, you will know what are the benefits, set up a call with them, see what are the prices they are offering, negotiate करना, bargain करना, you know, if you think that okay if you're going to give them a certain amount of sales, अगर आपका 1% ले रहे थे वो 0.75 पे लाओ, एंड दिस 0.75 0.25 भाई बहुत मैटर करता है, लेट जाओ, कम करो, आई थिंक दैट इज हेल्प फॉर अस. सो या समथिंग, स्टार्ट स्मॉल, लर्न एवरी डे, इम्प्लीमेंट एवरी डे, इट विल वर्क आउट.
Awesome. Got it.
एक चीज़ बताओ, इन्फ्लुएंसर लेड ब्रांड का जो आजकल डिबेट चल रहा है, इन्फ्लुएंसर जैसे शार्क टैंक पे भी लेटेस्ट भी आपने सुना होगा, तो इन्फ्लुएंसर लेड ब्रांड्स को आपको लगता है कि लोग ज़्यादा क्रिटिकली देखते हैं और ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं उससे, और लाइक इज़ इट अ गुड आइडिया फॉर एन इन्फ्लुएंसर? लाइक लास्ट एपिसोड में वी शॉट विद बीस्ट लाइफ, जिनके इन्फ्लुएंसर आपको पता होंगे, गौरव तनेजा. सो अब मतलब किस लेवल पे, क्योंकि हर इन्फ्लुएंसर एक लेवल पे सोचता है कि मैं अपना ब्रांड शुरू करूं, बट वी हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ फेलियर्स आल्सो, एंड बहुत क्रिटिसिज्म भी होती है ऑनलाइन. सो इज़ इट अ गुड आइडिया और नॉट? जो लोग ऑलरेडी इन्फ्लुएंसर बन चुके हैं या बन रहे हैं उस
आई फील इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन योर स्किल्स, ठीक है. अगर आप एक अच्छा बिजनेसमैन बिजनेस वुमेन हो, आप एक अच्छा ब्रांड बना सकते हो. इफ़ यू हैव योर फॉलोइंग एंड आप उसी लेवल पे कुछ चीज़ ला रहे हो, ऑफकोर्स यू हैव क्रिएटेड कॉन्टेंट, लाइक थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीस ऑफ कॉन्टेंट यू हैव क्रिएटेड ऑन प्रोटीन एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. व्हेन यू क्रिएट अ प्रोटीन ब्रांड यू वुड मेक श्योर दैट हाँ मैं ये सारी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखूँ. बट running a business is very different also, right? So a lot of somebody has opened their, let's say, beauty brand, ठीक है. मोस्ट केसेस में जो मैं आजकल देख रही हूँ, जो इन्फ्लुएंसर लेड ब्रांड्स होते हैं, जो बड़े लेवल पे होते हैं, इट्स मोस्टली फंडेड बाय समबडी एट द बैक. देयर इज अनदर बिजनेस पर्सन एंड द थर्ड पर्सन इज जस्ट फॉर फेस वैल्यू. इट्स लाइक अ ब्रांड एम्बेसडर वाला हिसाब किताब. तो अगर वो केस है तो it is still a successful model, because there is somebody who knows how to run the business, there is somebody who knows how to market, and there is somebody who knows how to where the fund is coming from. But अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि आप सब कुछ खुद कर लोगे, but if you do not have any knowledge of stuff, then it is difficult. Like, you know, creating content is very different from handling operations. It's very difficult from creating a product. It's very different from even creating content for your business. So it can be done. And of course, when you have the energy, why not? But then do you have the bandwidth? Because I feel as a founder of a business, I need to give it too much of time. And if I am not fully vested in it, I might not do justice to it. So अगर आपके पास वो team है जहाँ पे you know you have multiple co-founders where they are doing other stuff, and आपको reels बनानी है, आपको content बनाना है, आपको face value करना है, शायद आप कर सकते हो. But अगर आपको office जाना है, team को भी handle करना है, if you are running a business like all other founders do, then it's not going to be that easy. You'll need to realize that you need to somewhere step down maybe. तो मतलब मेरा ये मानना है. Of course, then there is Parul Gulati, right?
Yeah.
Who is doing it all, like you know, who is an influencer, who's in movies, and who's again running a business and a very profitable one at that. But now you see that Parul is known more for her business versus her acting career or anything else. So something needs to. You need to be more vested into something. Like मतलब मैं ये बोलूँगी कि अगर आप content creator हो, and अगर आप content creation को थोड़ा कम करके इसको बढ़ा कर, then you can balance it out. Maybe that's a good idea. I don't know. मतलब क्या पता some people have it do.
So it depends on your skill set. मतलब आपको करना ही पड़ेगा, या फिर आप किसी skilled बंदे को लेकर आओ.
हाँ, स्किल को somebody needs to compensate for the skills. अगर अब मुझे पता आज मैं यहाँ पे बैठी, मेरे ऑफिस में काम नहीं हो रहा है भाई, तो अगर क्या पता मेरे पास एक और co-founder होता तो शायद वो चीज़ें हैंडल हो जाती. एंड देन बिकॉज आई एम ओनली डूइंग मार्केटिंग, देन आई एम राइट नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो वर्क ओनली, राइट, दिस इज ऑल्सो मार्केटिंग ओनली. तो वो कॉम्पेंसेटरी स्किल के लिए या तो ये देयर नीड्स टू बी अ दीक्षा X2 एनर्जी जो सब कुछ कर पा रहा है, और देयर नीड्स टू बी अनदर पर्सन हु इज हैंडलिंग इट फॉर यू.
बट such a right, practical and natural answer. जो आपने बोला है वो बहुत सही है. You actually gave the feeling कि प्लीज अपने आप को सुपर वुमेन या सुपर मैन मत समझो. You have to put your skin in the game.
Correct.
और तब सही में धंधा होता है. And और अगर आप अकेले कर रहे हो तो कहीं कम करके you'll have to come and become that घोड़ा, you know, leading the brand. And if you are not, then maybe you have to get some more ghodas with you.
Correct,
So that you kind of lead it.
कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा ना, मतलब how will
मतलब
you
बस
do
वो
it?
हसल का वीडियो डाल के वो रियलिटी नहीं है.
मुझे एक चीज़ और भी लगती है कि आई थिंक बहुत सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स जब वो ब्रांड्स के साथ काम करते हैं तो दे हैव तो बेसिकली लेट्स से किसी बहुत बड़े इन्फ्लुएंसर ने एक रील डाली और उस पर लेट्स से 1 मिलियन व्यूज़ आ गए. अब उसको क्या लगता है ना बंदे को, इन्फ्लुएंसर को, कि यार मैं तो एक रील डालता हूँ इतना आ जाता है. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज़ कि अगर वो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं होगा तो वो रिपीट
Correct,
सेल नहीं
हाँ,
आएगी.
नहीं आएगी.
तो अल्टीमेटली एक बार मार्केट करना फिर भी इजी होता है आई वुड से फॉर इन्फ्लुएंसर. बट इफ देयर
Correct.
प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट गुड,
Exactly the point.
systems are not good, तो फिर they will fail.
योर ऑपरेशंस नीड टू बी रियली स्ट्रांग यार. मतलब आपका ऑपरेशन, आपका प्रोडक्ट, आपका पता है योर प्रेजेंस. लेट्स से यू आर एन इन्फ्लुएंसर लेड ब्रांड and some people have joined your team because of course you have bought in people, and then you're not there, or maybe you have a very lousy attitude towards your work because ek to I'll tell you the problem is that influencers get paid a lot. So gratification is very early.
Yes.
Gratification in business is very late.
Yeah.
तो समझने में ही टाइम लग जाता है उन्हें.
हाँ, मतलब एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इन्फ्लुएंसर्स जो बन गए. देखो इन्फ्लुएंसर को भी पैसा कमाने में टाइम लगेगा.
Correct.
बट अब जब अगर तुम 1 मिलियन पे बैठे हो, तुम्हारे पास एक बहुत अच्छा पैसा आ रहा है,
Yeah.
व्हाट इज द नीड? वो अंदर चुल क्या है बिजनेस रन करने की?
Correct.
यू नीड टू नो व्हाई यू स्टार्टेड द बिजनेस. यू इट कैन नॉट बी जस्ट फॉर मनी. मतलब मुझे, क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास ऑलरेडी बहुत पैसा है भाई. तुम्हारे को एक चुल होनी पड़ेगी, मुझे बिजनेस करना है. मेरे को तो वही चुल है. मुझे तो पता नहीं मैं इससे अगर ज्यादा पैसे कमा लूंगी मैं पैसों का क्या करूंगी. मुझे तो लंबोर्गिनी नहीं लेनी है. मैं क्या करूँ? मुझे तो बस रेवेन्यू ज्यादा बढ़े, मुझे अच्छा लगता है देखना. आई नीड टू नो एवरी कस्टमर फीडबैक. आई नीड टू नो एवरी कस्टमर फोटो. मेरे को तो अंदर घुस जाना होता है चीज़ों में. अभी वो छोटे स्केल पे इसलिए मैं कर पा रही हूँ, बट एट अ हाई स्केल ऑल्सो आई वुड वांट टू नो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. वो मजे आते हैं मुझे करने में. तुम्हें वो मजा आना चाहिए. तुम्हें मजे आ रहे बिजनेस करने में, तुम करो ना बिजनेस. There are people who run 3 businesses at the same time. Does not mean that they don't have skin in the game. But you need to be vested in it. If you are vested in it, it's good.
Yeah.
So chul.
Chul. Chul honi chahiye.
And as
yes,
Vineet
your
very
why should be very
sophisticatedly he says, it's about your why.
Yeah.
Your
It's
why
about
should
your why. अगर आपका why बस ये है कि सब कर रहे हैं मैं भी कर लेता हूँ, तो I think that's not a very good idea.
हाँ, मतलब करने की वो होनी चाहिए ना कि क्यों कर रही हूँ मैं.
Hunger,
मतलब देखो, इट्स ऑल्सो द अदर वे राउंड. आजकल सारे बिजनेस ओनर्स को भी तो कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स बनना है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
है ना. तो एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम ट्राई एंड देन फेल.
they fail.
Correct.
क्योंकि इट इज नॉट ईजी भाई. तुम अपना बिजनेस रन करोगे तो कंटेंट क्रिएट करने के लिए मेकअप देखो, बाल देखो, लाइटिंग देखो, कोई रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए आ रहा है, कपड़े देखो, सेम कपड़ों में बार बार कंटेंट. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स राइट.
Yes.
सो यू नीड टू नो व्हाई यू आर डूइंग इट. अगर आपको चुल है आप करो, अगर आपको चुल नहीं है तो क्यों करना है? जो कर रहे हो अच्छा है ना. जस्ट बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट, यू डोंट नीड टू क्रिएट कंटेंट. आई तो नेवर सजेस्ट एनीबडी टू क्रिएट कंटेंट. मत करो, बहुत हो गया.
Done and dusted हो गया.
भाई मैं तो कंटेंट से ही दूर भागना चाहती हूँ. इफ आई लाइक लेट्स से आई टेल ना दैट मेरे लाइफ में सब कुछ बहुत बढ़िया और मैं सब कुछ ऐसे रहना चाहता हूँ. वन थिंग आई लाइक कंटेंट क्रिएशन मुझे ना देता भगवान. मैं वो कभी वो चुल नहीं देता कंटेंट क्रिएशन करने की.
But I'm super sure that has happened to your life because it was meant to bring lot of other things that you're so grateful for.
I'm very grateful for everything in my life.
Super sure, you know, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. But मैं मानती हूँ ईश्वर कभी भी unnecessary चीजें किसी को नहीं देता. So whatever is meant for you has come to
That
you
is true,
or will
yes.
come for you.
Yes, of course.
So 100%. I have a last question. You have something?
Before that, I have one more question. So there's a brand called Chumbak. Okay.
Yes.
So Chumbak is like a mainstream brand, I would call them. Okay. They grew too fast also, I think. But like, is that a good idea? Because thoda similar category hai. Like they are also into jewelry.
Quirky,
they also
and
do other things also, but
They're
thoda
mostly
quirky
into
wala.
home decor and stuff like that.
अब their business model have changed over time also. शुरू में I think थोड़ा quirky stuff ज़्यादा करते थे वो. But why I'm comparing you, the idea is let's say you get a lot of money, investor money, जैसे अभी आपने Shark Tank वाली चीज़ भी बोली, तो is there a way to like grow at a very fast pace a brand like yours where is a very personal kind of a brand, थोड़ा personalized touch है आपके brand में. Can you actually grow it very fast and is it a good idea or not? Yeah, because मुझे लगता है कि एक beyond a point आप अपने जैसे आपने बोला कारीगर्स के साथ टच छोड़ना या वो भी डोंट यू थिंक कि वो हो जाता है जब बहुत फैक्ट्री की तरह चलने लग जाती हैं चीज़ें.
Of course, then you have to take a call, no, what you want in life. Like, which is why I said that there is my personal call. Aaj agar if I take so much of funds that I can open one store at every good locality in Delhi, like let's say I open it in Khan Market, I open it in malls, I open it in whatever, all good cities, etc. People will know me more, right? All of these brands that, let's say, Huft ho gaya, Ziggly ho gaya, all of these pet brands, let's say, for example, they're all under losses only, right? But then they have a valuation, like everybody ends up going to them only. So eventually they will grow bigger. So that is the entire idea. Do you run the rat race and then end up creating a bad product, or end up dishonoring something that you had promised yourself? Do you dishonor not just people involved in the business but people in your personal life? All of those are very important questions and very personal questions at that. What if you do not have a family life or don't want to have a family life? Good for you, bro. You have more time in hand to spend in your business. What if I want to spend more time with my dog? I want to take my decisions that way. It's a very personal choice कि इंसान को अपनी life से चाहिए क्या? Why? The whys are very important. And you want to I don't even know if I want to have 100 stores in the country for myself. I don't think I want to. Maybe it's 5 years later that changes me. That something changes in me and I'm like, नहीं मेरे को तो 500 stores खोलने हैं. Then that's a different idea, right? But it is to each their own. You need to do it a certain way.
So, what is your current sales right now, and like you have any future plans?
Yes, ये सब मत पूछो.
नहीं इतना नंबर तो बनता है.
So I think this year we should be doing about 4 crores.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
So that's what.
Without investment, that's a big number.
That's a big
yeah.
number.
So that's what we are aiming at. That hopefully हम 4 crores कर ले इस साल.
Where did you finish this? Because एक महीने पहले तो खत्म हुआ है.
2.5.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So we are planning that इस साल हम, because I told you, last 4 months were very bad for us.
Yeah.
Which is why we could not do more. I was aiming at 3. But now that we have made changes, but again a lot of things are, मैं कुछ भी बोलूँ it does not matter, no, क्योंकि मेटा पे डिपेंडेंस बहुत ज़्यादा हाई है.
तो but I have seen this you again and again saying बहुत खराब थे. So क्या उसको decode किया फिर उसमें क्या change किया? Was this the product? Was the satisfaction? Was it the logistics?
There were a lot of things. Logistics was not a problem for us, thank God. Okay? I think so of course performance marketing was very low. Now the performance marketing low मतलब ये नहीं था कि हम 3K ROAS में है तो हम 3K ROAS में ज़्यादा अमाउंट स्पेंड कर रहे हैं कि 20 लाख स्पेंड कर दे रहे, नहीं. हम 3K ROAS में 3 लाख भी नहीं स्पेंड कर पा रहे हैं. सो दैट मीन्स दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्केल ओनली. करेक्ट. सो अगर मैं 5 लाख करूँगा शायद मेरा ROAS और नीचे आ जाता. तो मैं वो ही नहीं कर पा रही थी. सो ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स हैड टू चेंज. लाइक द काइंड ऑफ एड्स वी मेड दैट चेंज. द काइंड ऑफ कैटेगरी ऑफ एड्स. लेट्स से वी वर नॉट रनिंग कैटलॉग एड्स पहले. वी स्टार्टेड रनिंग कैटलॉग एड्स. Did really well for us. So that would a lot of things had to change. So of course the agency changed, the kind of ads changed, some things in our website changed, our return policies changed. So we did try and make a lot of changes to make sure that हम right track पे जाए. Of course we are making these changes February से हम कुछ change करते अब जाके it's May now. I think April में we hit
like a decent
कि हाँ अब हमने सही राह में हैं हम. If we keep going in the direction that we are going now, we should hit a revenue of 4 CR this year.
Got it.
Wow.
That's awesome.
So बस एक लास्ट चीज़ बताओ कि अगर किसी को अपना ब्रांड शुरू करना हो सोशल मीडिया पे to be successful, what should they do? Like any tips that you can give?
So I think if you are a small business, like if you're a small raw business, share like a lot of content on how you started, why you started, every day, etc. If you are a premium brand, let's say, okay, do a lot of influencer marketing, your products everywhere, like हर जगह पर product दिख रहा हो. So when you hear that buzzword, like let's say Moco Bar, like तो आप हर जगह देखोगे, आप दिलजीत के पास देख रहे हो, आप हर अपने फेवरेट क्रिएटर के पास देख रहे हो, you also want it, right? Of course all of this needs to be backed up with a good product. If your product is not good, nothing would matter. And I think बहुत सार ना opportunities आपको दिखती है, but you're too scared to fetch it. You need to chase opportunities and you need to get them. You need to create your own opportunities. For example, मैंने ना season 2 Shark Tank के लिए apply करा, but मैंने form submit नहीं करा. I was too scared. Then season 3 I was like, नहीं इस बार करूँगी मैं. And then I applied. And then of course there's so many applications coming in, right? It's not like कि आपका होगा ही.
होगा, yeah.
I kept chasing, kept doing हर एक फॉर्म, सेकंड फॉर्म, थर्ड फॉर्म. मेरे को अपने एपिसोड शूट होने के 3 दिन पहले पता चलता कि मुझे जाना है.
Yeah.
So it was a very scary moment, right? क्योंकि 3 दिन में करना है, सब कुछ करना है, प्रोडक्ट भी लेके जाने हैं, पैकिंग भी करनी है, कपड़े भी करने हैं. तो that was a very tricky space, but then you could either leave that opportunity or you
Grab it.
catch it, right? And of course, like, you know, आप बहुत बार बोलते यार ये तो होगा नहीं, क्या करते, छोड़ दो. बट वही एटीट्यूड आई थिंक चेंज करना पड़ेगा. एज अ फाउंडर यू टू डू, लाइक करो, सब करो.
Lovely. So I have the last question.
Yeah.
And I know that you have answered this. You said कोई content creator नहीं बने, मत बनो. But somehow I had this question reserved for you because as I told you, while we were thinking from our audience's mind, what one question for sure they want you to answer. ठीक है, नहीं बने तो ठीक है, ऐसा दीक्षा बोलती है. But imagine there is somebody और उसको आज इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना है. 2020 में उसकी जो जर्नी थी वो बहुत अलग थी. आज 2025 में इट इज़ मच 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 टफर.
करेक्ट.
बट स्टेप बाय स्टेप जेन्युइनली, चाहे वो दिल्ली में बैठा हो, चाहे वो रांची में बैठा हो, चाहे वो वेस्ट बंगाल, आई डोंट नो द सिटी एंड द स्टेट, बट somebody was aspiring and like you said, शार्क टैंक 2 में डरी थी, स्कैरी थी, नहीं किया. पर शार्क टैंक 3 में मैंने बोला करना है. मुझे स्टेप बाय स्टेप बताओ. आई मीन नॉट लाइक एज अ मैक्रो आंसर.
गॉट इट.
स्टेप बाय स्टेप बोलो कि भाई उसको बनना है.
The sooner you do it, the better. Pick a niche. It's very important. If you really want to make it, try something that nobody else is doing. There needs to be a shock factor, right? Otherwise, अगर आप वही same चीज़ कर रहे हो जो सब कुछ कर रहे हो, then why is anybody following you? So pick a shock factor reel, like idea, whatever, you know, or have like a certain format that nobody else is doing, so that you get eyeballs, and then keep doing the same thing over and over and over again, because you need to be hit by the same message every time. So agar let's say you must have seen those content creators, no, ki how much is 2 plus 2 into whatever, some guy, this Arya Kothari, I think his name is, he'll ask this random question like, yeah, you are right,
But that's a wrong answer.
that's a wrong answer, है ना. तो वो he did the same format again and again and again and again and again, and then it boomed, right? So you need to pick up a certain format, or you need to pick up a certain niche that nobody else is doing, or has, you know, very few people doing it, and then keep doing it for like a really long time. And of course you need to, this would be picking a niche wala part, okay? Then third would be, don't wait for you to get like fancy gadgets and all. I would say that if you have an iPhone, it's best. Shoot in natural light. A lot of times the most, sorry, I'll cut down this part, I'll put another thing. बहुत बार क्या होता है ना, दैट हम नंबर्स चेज कर रहे होते हैं. आई थिंक वैल्यू एडिशन लोग भूल जाते हैं. ठीक है, लाइक लेट्स से यू मेक अ रील एंड दैट गेट्स 1.5 million views, and then you only get like 50 followers because that reel did not, it had comical sense or it had whatever, but then no real value was coming out of it, or no real maza was coming out of it. ठीक है, then you create a piece of content, it gets only 1 lakh views, but you get, let's say, 100 good followers who will stick by you. So that is more important, that quality of content surpasses the quantity of views. अगर आपका क्वालिटी ऑफ कंटेंट होगा ना, लाइक लोग आपके पास वापस जाएंगे कि अच्छा ये ना ये कंटेंट बनाता है, इसके पेज में जाकर ये चीज़ ढूंढती हूँ, मिल जाएगा. दैट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड आई थिंक ब्रांड्स ऑल्सो हैव स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग दैट सिर्फ व्यूज़ आने से नहीं काम चलेगा. विल द पर्सन हु इज, you know, endorsing their brand be able to convert people and get them ROI is important.
Yeah.
So I think those things are important. So first is start the earlier you start, the better. Pick a niche. Do not wait for things to happen. Like, you know, keep creating content. As soon as you get your first deal, get your new equipment, get light, let's say, get whatever. Take all the opportunities, co-create with other creators. Yeah, and मैं तो बोलूँगी मत create करो. The world has had too much of content creators. Yeah. But if you can create like really good content that would make people like me want to stay on Instagram and watch content, I would love that.
Lovely, lovely. So I think that is where we would love to wrap this up. And I want to remind you that how comfortable you became after 2 minutes, you have not even realized. And you were just your true sense, like amazing.
Thank
it was
you.
Lovely, lovely talking.
And the influencer was, thank you.
Sahi baat hai.
Hi guys, bye guys.
But thank you so much for your time. We really
I'm so
appreciate
glad
it.
I was here. It felt like, you know, I don't know, it just felt like I know you guys from another time.
Same here.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank
I'm
you.
glad to be here.
Thank you.